for the very simple reason that there's no consumer sovereignty. The last time you saw the word sovereign was probably in history, where they explained that a sovereign state is an independent country, right? So no consumer sovereignty means consumers have no choice. Okay? Freedom of choice is not there. Okay? So we study a market economy. In a market economy, there is no government. Okay, we say voting who? No government at all. Okay? You leave the system to run on its own. Okay? So our focus is really here. Alright? So how does the market work? It works based on an invisible hand. This is what Adam Smith was trying to explain to us. Look, the system works very well on its own. Okay? So you can think of them as the pioneers of this subject. Right? They're really trying to explain to us how this thing works. They're trying to explain to us mere laymen, right? And so they have to come up with very sexy terms like this. Wow, invisible hand. Okay? So invisible hand is also known as the price mechanism. Under the price mechanism, there are two central features. Okay? First, everything runs based on self-interest. And in case you're about to challenge this and say, no, but we have non-profit organizations, stop there. Because you have to know that we apply a sweeping assumption. We assume everyone is self-interested. Remember I say you will never hold the door for the person behind you? That's how we study economics. Okay? So it's guided by self-interest. Okay. Second one is not ceteris paribus, alright? No. But the second point is indicated by price. So we have reached the halfway mark in explaining the price mechanism. I've told you what is the desired outcome. I've also given you a very quick idea of how the price mechanism works. The next thing I'm going to share with you is how the price mechanism answers the three questions here. Okay. Then we are going to mark the performance of the price mechanism against the desired outcomes. Which means we're going to look at how the price mechanism answers these three questions and whether they fulfill this. Okay, I carry on? Yes? Okay. Okay, we deal with the easier ones. Okay. So based on this, let's look at how to produce. Okay. I'll say that because before I go on, how to produce? Whose business is it? Consumer or producer? Who decides? Is it the consumer or the producer who decides how to produce? You go up to the zi char store and say, hey, this is how we should fry it, the fire is too big. No, it's the producer, correct. Alright? This is a producer's pasar, it's their business. Okay? So we say that because producers are self-interested, they are driven by what? What is it that they seek? as a producer? You're always chasing profits. Very good. Profits. Does anyone know